Okay, so today is the 11th August 2024, and our topic today is choice with relationships. So what do you think? Do you have any choice with relationship? Truth. So first, before we ask a question, all the DJCCs and all the PES juniors that we function from, would you be willing to destroy and unkill them all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pod, all night shots, boys, poads, and beyond. Hi, Shweta, Sachdeva, welcome. How are you? So today's topic is choice with relationship. And my first question to you is, do you have a choice with any relationship? Relationship with your partner, relationship with yourself, relationship with business, relationship with house, relationship with your children, anybody, relationship with your plants, relationship with anybody and everything. Do you have a choice? Do you think you have a choice और यही है हमको ऐसे ही जीना है?
चॉइस तो है कमल.
हाय ममता.
चॉइस तो है.
चॉइस है ना हर एक चीज में. लवली टू हैव यू हियर आफ्टर
गट्स
लॉन्ग
नहीं.
लॉन्ग 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 टाइम.
यस. गट्स नहीं है.
It's always love to see my closed loved ones here on the call.
इवन मी.
Yeah. So choice है, guts नहीं है. Wow. Really? So what is the choice actually? What do you think is choice? I mean guts क्या क्या करना पड़ेगा कि guts हो? और क्या सीखा है कि मेरे पास तो choice ही नहीं है? And if I made it, then wow, what will happen? What if everything would change and you will have you? Is it possible, or you just not chosen just because everybody you dare not?
Dare not.
What is that one choice you think you cannot make? Let's hear about that. What is that one choice you think you cannot make?
Decisions for my own self. I don't
In
give priority to myself.
area?
Relationship.
Relationship is a very vast subject. You don't have a choice in any relationship?
No, I do have. Yeah, I do have. And I have taken a choice there. Yeah.
Yeah. So where you cannot, you have decided you cannot make a choice. What is that?
Okay. Guiding my children.
Guiding your children. Wow. So where does the guiding come from? That could be a nice topic, guiding children. Next topic, guiding children. Okay. So what do you think you need to guide your children for? You think they don't know enough? You think you know so much? You think if they went on what I told them, they will be better off? You think, what do you think?
I think I'll be better protect them. I can better advise them because
Your
experience.
parents could protect you?
They tried to.
Shweta is saying scared of consequences of choice. Is those consequences, ask a question, Shweta. Are those consequences true or they are only in your head? You have decided they are there. They are going to be there. What if they weren't? Have you tried? Have you taken a step? And every time you have, I can talk for myself. Every time I've taken a step forward, the consequences I had in my head weren't even there. There's so much stories and consequences I have decided in my head that are not true. That is only my perception. And if they come true, it's because I want them to come true. My point of view creates my reality. If I think that if I take this choice, ये consequences होंगे, तथास्तु वो ही सब consequences होंगे. Why? Because your point of view creates your reality. You're so powerful. You have already projected and perceived, not perceived, you have already projected, decided, defined the consequences. Now, they have no other choice but to make you true, to prove you right. Take a step and see. Take a leap, jump, soar high, and see for yourself. If you had no point of view, and places where you had no point of view and you took a step, you didn't have those consequences. The whole universe was with you. Hai, Mamta? Shweta? Everywhere you took a step, everywhere you said, this is what I'm going to choose, it is light. After coming to Access especially, everybody was with you. You didn't have to struggle. You struggle before you even take a step. Because you struggle in your head.
True, true.
Just ask a question. Hey, if I choose this, what would it create? And then leave it. Don't wait for the answer. You will get the awareness what to choose, and it will be so light. And everything will just fall in place and woohoo!
Kamal, can you repeat the question?
Question, what was it, by the way?
If I, something about choose.
Okay, what is
would be
one choice you have not made? And you cannot make. You have decided you cannot make. You have psyched yourself with that I cannot make that choice, that one choice that you're saying I don't have a choice. That one choice where you say that I don't have a choice, what is that choice and what makes you not choose it? What are the consequences you are playing with in your head? What is that one choice that you are not making? Because. If you made it, your life would change. You would get what you are asking for. It will be delivered to you with total ease, joy, and glory. These tools are so cool, guys. Who does that choice? Who does that? What those consequences you're running in your head, who do they belong to? This reality. I have choice, but my emotions again become hindrance. Yes, so true. That is why we say, please do not live by thoughts, feelings, and emotions. They are the lies of this world that you bought from this world and you made them mountains in your life. Now you cannot cross them. Start to perceive. You are an infinite being. Start to function from perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving. Hey, what do I perceive here? Is there a contraction? Is there lightness? Is there joy? This thought, this choice is bringing joy in my life? Then it will create the joy. And then ask a question. Hey, if I choose this, what would my life be 5 years from now? What would the energy of my life, not the life that you think is the best? I should have a house, I have 2 children, I have got money, should have a car, my husband. No, the energy of my life. What would the energy of my life be in 5 years from now if I make this choice? And then let it go and ask another question. What would the energy of my life be 5 years from now if I do not make this choice? Energy never lies. It will tell you. It will speak to you if you're willing to listen. If it is the joy and the ease and the fun, it will create that. If it is contraction and heavy, let it go. Let it go. Every choice you make creates something. The lighter choices create greater possibilities on the planet. And here you make it available to everybody. You contribute to the whole universe. Committing to yourself, choosing for yourself, choosing from the lightness after asking question is not only good for you, but for the whole universe. Choosing for me, committing to me is choosing to function with access tools. Whenever I choose to function from access tools, I create greater. It just keeps changing, like everybody else here knows, has experienced the change. And it keeps continuing. It's a different world altogether. Ask me, I lived that world for 62 years. And when I facilitate people and when I hold classes and I see these people changing, it's such a gift. I am such a gift to Access. I'm such a gift to Gary. People like me, wow, she's changing, she's creating. It is the Access. It is Gary and Dane. So each one of you is a gift when you use the tools and they create greater life. You somewhere acknowledge them, even if they don't know it. When you're honestly choosing to live, not have a life. Having a life is judgment. I should have this, I should have this, I should have this, I should have this. And if I don't have it, then I don't have a life. But every moment, if you are enjoying and having fun and choosing greater in every now moment that lightens up your world, you are living. Living is a continuous process, is an action. When you truly choose to live, you cannot put things into words according to this reality. They'll say, ये तो हंसती रहती है, इसको तो कुछ फिक्र नहीं है, इसकी तो लकी है, ऐसे ही काम हो जाते हैं, इसको कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता, हार्ड वर्क करो तो पता लगे इसको. I don't want to have all that. I just want to have an ease, joy, glory life. And I'm choosing that. I'm asking for that. When you start, each one of you, when you start to choose for yourself, it's such a gift to me, to any facilitator that you are talking to. So what do you choose in relationship? What choices do you make in your relationship? Is it for you or is it for somebody else? Hi, Pradhaman. Welcome. So we're talking about choice with relationship. You don't have to be right. You don't have to be wrong. You just have to function from being in present, conscious, alive. It's such a freedom to not be right. Oh, always trying to be right is such a burden, is such a judgment. Because you're judged for having fun. What if you never have to have an answer? Hi, Usha, Mehak, Rupal. What are you waiting for, guys? You're the one who creates a relationship. You're the one who can choose to have a relationship that you desire. What are you waiting for? What now is the time to choose? Hi, Mehak. Really, really choose beyond this reality. Oh, what else can I choose today? What am I looking for that I'm not, that I know is possible? And if I allowed the possibility, would create a joy, create a relationship that I desire. And you just keep asking, keep asking, keep asking questions. The universe opens up to actualize everything that you ask for. Ask and you shall receive is the law. What choice do I have here? What choice is running in my head? If I wasn't choosing what is running in my head, then what else would be possible? We think that if we go into our head and choose according to what our head is telling us, then it will be right. Because we are always looking to be right. We're not looking to have fun. You are energy. What energy are you being? You attract the same energy. In relationship, you have billion questions to ask. Rather than running a story, ऐसे करूंगी तो फिर ऐसे होगा, फिर ये तो फिर वो, तो फिर ऐसे किया तो वैसे. No, hey, what can I say that the other person is willing to hear? How can I get what I desire? What can I gift by getting what I desire? What energy am I can be here to get what I desire from this relationship? It could be a relationship with your children, with your business, your mother-in-law. इसने ऐसे किया तो मैं ऐसे किया तो मैं वो फिर ऐसे को. That doesn't work. It hasn't worked. If it was worked, it would have worked by now. You tried your level best. What can I now choose to change this? Are you hungry? Are you really desiring something different? Or are you living in the loop that we have been seeing and we have been told is works? It hasn't worked for your grandparents. It didn't work for your parents. It didn't work for your neighbors. How do you think those people who give you advice is going to work for you? You get to choose. You always have a choice. And when that choice is not congruent, does not match, is it not in rhythm with what you desire, what your true self is, let it go. Choose different. There is so much more possible that you have never ever considered. A question like this, what can I choose that I have never considered choosing? That will create greater. What can I choose? Universe, can you hold my hand? Can you take me through? What can I receive today that I was not willing to receive? What is possible here? Access is a whole different world. I mean, just imagine at my age, I got a world that I probably knew. You all know there is other possibility. You will not choose it like Shweta said, the consequences. And those consequences are yours. Your sick, I wouldn't say sick mind, your mind's invention. All that you got from this reality, it's not yours. Return it to sender. Every consequence that you think this choice will make is not yours, guys. Return it to sender with consciousness attached and keep asking questions. You will get the knowing. You are all knowing being. Tap into the universe. You have a whole knowing of the universe. You are the universe. One of the things that Access gifted me was receiving. Are you willing to receive you? Are you willing to have a relationship with you? To start with, what relationship do you have with you? You're always judging yourself, always beating yourself. You're always seeing the wrongness in you. Or are you in love with yourself? Grateful for you, for every choice that you made. It made you more aware. I've been hearing this, I think, from very young age. Ask and you shall receive. After coming to Access, I recognize what that means. Ask with no point of view. Ask a question. The universe has a whole lot to give to you when you just give it a free hand. When life finishes for people in this reality, mind took a turn towards living fully. I became willing to open doors to what else was possible. And just relationship with me changed, everything outside of me changed. My relationship with my brother, my sister-in-law, my sisters, completely changed. It was all a trauma relationship before that. I didn't even know. I was holding on, I was hanging on to, I was do everything to please everybody, and yet be not in that space of where I could have total ease. I didn't even know this reality existed, or never thought it could change in my lifetime. Now it's exciting, full of joy. What else? Adventure. I'm at age 75 doing up the whole house. How many people at age 75 say, oh, ab aage jana hai, itna paisa kya kharchna hai? I'm becoming present to what else is possible. I'm not there where my daughter is. We still have tips on little things about, I can't spend that much. But I'm grateful for her that she has a different point of view and that I'm willing to listen to. Willing to listen to the different possibilities when they present themselves. I just love these places where I can just talk, and people listen. I wonder if you are listening, but I hope you are and getting some contribution from this.
Yes, Kanwal, I'm listening. After you said about, I was feeling heaviness in my heart and burning sensation. But after you said, you ask and you shall receive, and about your relationship with your family members. That opened up my space. Now I'm feeling a little bit still there, but then you said return
No,
it
just
back to
don't
this.
say I'm a little bit still there. Just say, wow, it could change in just this seconds. I'll have more of it. When you say it is still there, you are allowing it to be still there. You're diminishing the acknowledgement that you just did, that it has changed. Wow. In such little time, in just in few seconds, it can change. What else is possible that I haven't even considered? You always know you chose access because you knew not everybody chooses. There is more to life than we think it is, than we've been told it is. Whose reality are we living? रिलेशनशिप तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, आपको एडजस्ट करना पड़ता है. दिस इज व्हाट आई हर्ड व्हेन आई वाज गेटिंग मैरिड. एडजस्ट करना, सबका ध्यान रखना. रिलेशनशिप तो ऐसे ही होते हैं, गिव ही करना पड़ता है. Who shit is that? And I did all that. And I thought I had a perfect life. There was such a trauma drum outside, and there was so much going on inside. Are you even listening to yourself? And choice is not what you think it is. It is not two-dimensional. If you actually, each of one of you knew that you have a choice, and wherever you know that you have a choice, you always create what you want. Where you've decided you don't have a choice, tathastu, you don't have it. You can make any choice by just asking a simple question, by just diminishing that energy that you're sitting in, but allowing the energy to come in. You must have asked something that you opened this Zoom call. You are the one who chose to be here. You're the one who chose to hear those words. You were open to listen. Your choice creates everything. When you recognize that you create everything, you can change anything. And one question I'll give you again today, one more question. I don't know how many questions I've given, but one more question. What choice did I make that created this? Because whatever is in your world is you created it. If you love it, what choice did I create that this came into my life? That created this? Wow, I'll have more of that. And what choice did I make that created this? No ways, it's not working for me. Hey, what next now? Who does this belong to? Ask it every time something shows up that you don't desire. What choice did I make that created this? That is only if you want to create something beyond this reality. In this reality, if you want to create the same shit that you're living, and then you keep following these tools, what this reality gives you. But if you want something different, choose something different. And how many of you are trying to make the right choice in relationship? ये करूंगी तो फिर ठीक हो जाएगा, मुझे ऐसे करना चाहिए था, ये क्यों नहीं किया? What choice you make today is creating your future. Start choosing. Just choosing. There's no right and wrong. If it didn't work, okay, next. And if you're looking for change, change comes with, hi, Nilkamal. Lovely to have you here. Today's topic is choice with relationship. Change comes with choice, guys. You keep asking for change. It doesn't magic. There won't be any magic. You have to choose to change, to do something different, to create something different. You can't be just sitting and things will change with the same energy, with the same anger, with the same question, with the same stories. You will keep creating the same. You want something different? Make a different choice. There is nothing wrong with you. You are infinite beings. You're magical. You're brilliant. You pretend, you refuse to be who you truly be. Choice just creates awareness. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, this choice created this. Wow, how does it get any better than this? Oh, this choice created this. Oh, no ways. Bye-bye. What next? Never ever make yourself wrong for the choices that you made. You're here today because of the choices that you made. Choice is beginning of a different reality. You want to live in the same reality? Keep choosing the same. There is no correct way to make a choice, guys. There is no correct way. Every choice in every now moment is talking to you, giving you the energy. And you want to listen? Hula. This is the power of choice. Everything in your life up until now, this moment, is the accumulation of the choices that you made. Or are you saying, hey, shut up, Kamal, what are you talking about? It is the karma. No, guys, it's not. That is to keep you stuck. In this reality. Anything and everything is possible with the power of choice. We are told, choose wisely, choose a life. What if every moment you are living is your choose, living from the lightness of it, from the fun of it, from what is with it, every choice that you make, ask a question and make that choice, is life, is living. We let go of the living to create the life that they say will work. अब छोड़ो, अब सीरियस हो जाओ, अब पढ़ लो, फिर शादी कर लो, फिर घर बना लो, फिर जॉब ले लो, फिर घर बना लो, फिर कार ले लो, फिर all that, make children 2.5, then you will be happy. What a different way of looking at the world. Access taught me to be joyous now in this moment, choose from the fun of it, and it will create everything according to that. And when you are that energy, everything, you becomes the magnet for all the fun things to come to you. How important is your relationship with the universe, consciousness, with you, with your inner thoughts, with the voice? There's no definition. There's only that knowing, you know, when you know that this will work. But उसने कहा था ऐसे थोड़ी, पहले ये कर ले, फिर वो होगा. This moment is your moment. And we are our worst enemies. I can actually have a choice to create the life that I desire, was something, my God, out of the world when I heard that, when I came to Access. Journey has been up and down, roller coaster, still, if you call that roller coaster, or it's an adventure and a fun and a exciting. Now it's more ups, less downs. How, if you are not having what you desire, then have you ever asked yourself, how did I get here? From that joyful kid I was. You gave up yourself. What age did you give up yourself? Hi, Shilpi. At what age did you guys give up yourself? Are you willing to honor yourself now? Are you willing to trust your knowing now?
Awesome, awesome, awesome. I am happy.
Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. If enough of us get aware of us, of ourselves, then we get to have a different world. Enough of us gave up ourselves to create the world we live in, which is not working. Let's choose for ourselves, guys. It's not selfishness. You have a you have a nice relationship, loving, trusting relationship with yourself. You cannot not trust others. It overflows. The happiness, the ease, the joy overflows to everybody around you. If you're not judging yourself, you're not judging others. Because you're judging others, what you're judging in others is what you don't have or you have. They're just mirroring out you. Like they say, your energy will attract all those people of the same energy. I find lovely, nice, beautiful, helping, caring people coming into my life. Joyful people coming into my life. Why? Because that's the energy I be. The more I am me, the more I am actually including everybody else in my world. It is such an interesting way to educate your children. It's such an interesting way to touch people's lives. Electricity gone. When you are around somebody who's being themselves, you want to be more of you, isn't it? I am here too. Just be yourself, however people look at you. They look at you according to the judgment they have of themselves. What they will not allow themselves to do, and if they see it in you, they will judge you. It's not about you guys. If you have a non-judgmental relationship, if you're always present in any relationship that you are in, what would the energy of your life be? Acknowledging people is the beautiful thing that we can do. That's the most, Gary says, that's the most seductive way to be in the world. Non-judgmental. Can you just be? Trusting, loving, just trusting, being grateful, honor yourself, vulnerable, and what was it? allowance of yourself, finding value in just who you are. Valuing you for who you are. And we think we are valuable only if that one is happy with us, if that one is happy with us, if we don't spend too much of money, we have a bank balance, then I'm valuable. No. You're looking to be valued. We all are looking to be valued by others. Good luck. You will always diminish yourself. Hi, Ranjana. You will always diminish yourself. Just ask what's actually true for me. What choice would create a greater relationship with myself? And that doesn't mean that once I have a relationship with myself, then I will have. No, it's a simultaneity. You're choosing for you. You're choosing to have a beautiful relationship with everybody. What am I choosing? What choice am I making that is creating this? What choice can I make that will take me away from this? What choice can I make that will create a greater relationship? What can I give to get what I desire? What can I say that the other person is willing to hear? No, I must tell them, this is what they did. And then you want a good relationship. How can I tell that they are willing to listen? You got to start where you are. Never make yourself wrong ever. Your life is today, this moment, with every choice that you're creating, that you're choosing. If you're functioning from victim, being a victim, oh, I don't have, they don't care for me, oh my. Good luck. Choice is not a concept for many of us. Like so many in the beginning said, we fear the consequences. So start discovering, start choosing, not from the wrongness, by asking questions, and start asking questions like, what would it create? What would my life be like if I'm repeating it again, guys. I want to drill it in you. What would this choice create? Hi, Harish. Thank you. What will this choice create? So all of you who have been choosing, of course, you've been in Access, most of you. All of you who have been choosing, what has it been for you discovering what choice is? I am still discovering. What is choice for you? How many of you think, okay, chalo, sochenge, choice karni hai ki nahi karni? Or some of you say, oh, I will do it now, starting now. Or I'm not going to leave. So where are you at the moment?
Now, Kaval, now.
Now, yes. And it's not wrong. It just didn't work out. Bye-bye. Next. Ask a question. What would this choice create? Rather than going into ऐसे करूंगी तो फिर ये हो जाएगा तो फिर वो हो जाएगा. Your point of view creates your reality, and then you prove yourself right, and you say देखा मैंने बोला था ना ये करूंगी तो ऐसे हो जाएगा. Not realizing that you are the creator. If you thought something different, if you had no point of view, it could show you what magic it can create. We all see magic. How many of you say, if I had a choice? That was my pet word. If I had a choice, I would do it. How many of you still do that? If I had a choice. You always have a choice. I give you a tool today. You always have a choice. You have a choice with absolute everything. It's an excuse you give yourself. It's a refusal to commit to yourself. You always have a choice. You ask for change, you want change, you know you can have it, but you will stop yourself with all the drama, trauma in your head, which is not even yours. Bye-bye.
Well, good morning.
Good morning. I was wondering who this Pam is, and then I realized
मैं
you are
ठीक
the
करती हूँ,
one.
ठीक करती हूँ.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I'm getting used to it.
अच्छा मेरा ये आई वाज इन बाथरूम में अभी भी हूँ तो ये कहा आपने कि चॉइस दिस वर्ड्स डिक्शनरी में चला गया है, काफी चला गया है. इट्स नॉट कि पूरा चला गया है, पर सुनते बहुत है. क्या करें, आपको तो चॉइस है, आप तो कर सकती हो, आपको तो हस्बैंड कुछ कहता नहीं है, मेरे को तो चॉइस नहीं है. ये सुनते बहुत है, बहुत सुनते हैं. But how can we be that energetic? I know.
पहले तो मैं भी बोलती थी, अब सुनते हैं, अब अवेयर हो जाते हैं. Now we are aware. But question is, do you agree with them?
No. Sakat no.
If you are in constant state of question, then you are in constant state of choice.
Yes.
Then you are in constant state of creation.
कवल सुनने के बाद हेड पे आया तो मतलब हमने एग्री किया ना थोड़ा बहुत तो.
And now remember it when you're saying to yourself, I don't have a choice. Hey, what rubbish am I talking? What choice do I have here? What would create greater? And listen and hear your body always gives you information. And it's interesting how things show up in your life.
कवल.
Yes?
यस कमल, मुझे ऐसा पहली बार आपकी कॉल में ऐसा रियलाइज हुआ कि हम लोग बोलते हैं कि वी क्रिएट द रियलिटीज, है ना, बट एक्चुअली में हम वो समझते ही नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग चूज नहीं करते.
Exactly.
पर मुझे ऐसा लगता है चूज विथ रिलेशनशिप, चॉइस विथ रिलेशनशिप, मतलब पहले तो आप खुद ही चॉइस करो कि भाई क्या चाहते हो आप, उसके बाद वो रियलिटी क्रिएट होगी. हम लोग रियलिटी में घुस जाते हैं और उसके बाद उसमें से सोचते रहते हैं कि इसमें से हम क्या चॉइस करें.
Exactly.
और वहीं से प्रॉब्लम शुरू होती है, क्योंकि हमें वही वही समझ में आता है, इससे ज्यादा कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. लेकिन हम जब समझते हैं कि नहीं, अगर हमने एक बार हमने अपनी रियलिटीज से चूज किया और उसके बाद हमने उसमें एंट्री की, तो हो सकता है वो हो जाए. Why not?
And also we think that if we gel with the other person, it's the same thing that I think that the other person is thinking, then it will work. What if the other person is a gift in opening up a different universe for you, and that is also a gift? Hey, these things can be done differently. But we want everybody to agree with us. We like to control. The moment you let go of the control, the moment you choose to be yourself, you will have an adventure of, hey, this can be done too. This one is looking after himself or herself. She is going wherever she wants to. And I am like a fool cutting myself off to fit into that. What can I do? Not with vengeance, not with fight, but what can I do to create a different reality for myself? Hey, if I choose this without him or her, well, what would that create? You give up yourself so much that you're obsessed with the other person living their life, rather than looking at and inspired by, wow, I can do that too. It's like I used to say that long time back also. We go our own way together. Not sitting on each other's backs and wanting them to do what you desire them to do, and then fighting. मैंने ये बोला था तूने ये करा वैसे कर. Rather than, hey, you're choosing that. How awesome is that? What can I choose to create a reality that works for me? How much fun can I have today without a judgment or a point of view? And then a question. Hey, if I choose this, what will that create? Not from it will create this, it will create that, it will. No. Thank you, Usha. Trust your knowing. What do you know that you are aware of? What if you never define anything? Never make anything significant? You get to choose what's light, what works for you, what's fun. Start to expand your realm with choices. Choice is just a choice and as good for only 10 seconds. Get more present with your body. What information is your body giving you? Is it lightness, is it heavy? And be in question 24/7. You make a choice and something shows up that seems something that you didn't want. Hey, what choice did I make that created this? Rather than ये तो मुझे चाहिए नहीं, ये कैसे आ गया, उसने कैसे कर दिया? What choice did I make that created this? Okay, can I change it now? Bye. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a million tools, guys. It's not when you make a choice, something shows up, it's done deal. There's always another choice. A gift of choice with question.
Thank you, Kavalji. Now part हो गए.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Okay, guys.
And कितना अच्छा बोला ना, सामने वाला चाहे कुछ भी दे लेना कि नहीं लेना, मेरा choice है.
Or
फिर
not,
तो बात
not
करें.
from fighting judgment, just from humility, just from knowing that you know what you would desire. Just from, if that other person doesn't like it, you don't have to sit धक्के की चोट से मैं तो ये करूंगी, मैं तो ये करूंगी. You can choose it and be, you keep knowing, you're manipulating 24/7. Own up. How about manipulating your relationships to show up as you desire them to show up? Manipulation is not wrong. You're making it wrong.
Can you make one sentence for manipulation? What manipulation can I be here?
I just asked you, you want to say something. I just told you, if you want to say something to somebody, say, what can I say that that person is willing to hear? Ask a question. You will get the awareness rather than मैं तो बता दूंगी उसको, उसने ऐसे किया था, अब वो चेंज होगा. कभी नहीं होगा. आपको कोई ऐसे बोलेगा तो आप चेंज होंगे नहीं, बल्कि प्यार से आपको बोलेगा, उषा, that was such a nice thing that you did. But did it work for you, darling? Could we think of something else to do here? Then you will have million questions. Yes. Somebody said, ये ऐसे क्यों किया तुमने? You will back off. You will say, ये बंदा तो ठीक ही नहीं है. What do you know that you're pretending that you don't know? Guys, next topic. Next week's topic.
कमल, आज के दिन आपने एक स्पेशल चीज नोट की जो मैंने नोट की।
Yeah.
आज के दिन आपने एक भी क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा हमसे, आपने कॉन्स्टेंटली 1 आवर तक बात करी है खुद ही।
मैं तो क्वेश्चन पूछती रही, आप जवाब नहीं देते, तो मैं सोच लिया मैं ही बोल देती हूँ, आप मैं ही बोलती रहती हूँ आपको क्वेश्चन। ये जिसको पूछना होगा वो पूछ लेगा, जिसको नहीं पूछना नहीं। दैट्स नॉट माय जॉब, दैट्स योर जॉब। सो आई गिव अप।
रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं बंद किया है आपने, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं बंद किया
है, आई नो रिकॉर्ड।
रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं बंद किया है।
थैंक यू।